Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Amanda from Blissful Gal, and today I'm going to be talking about different ways to help you guys get a better night's sleep, because who the heck doesn't like sleep? So the first tip is to have a good mattress. So I was a little cheap in college and I had to get a mattress for one of my apartments, and I didn't get that great of a one, and about 2-3 years into this mattress, you could definitely see a divot to where I used to lay, so that wasn't very comfortable. But I was gifted a mattress from Tomorrow, and they're one of those box mattress companies that they ship you the box. You would never even know there's a dang mattress in this thing because they pack it so tightly, but you just unwrap it, and it's just this beautiful, like, memory foam type mattress, and honestly, it is the best for my sleep. Second tip is to know the prime temperature for sleep. So I am a human radiator at night. Like, if it's too hot in the room, I sweat like no other. So it needs to be cool in the room in general for me. But according to sleep.org, I did some research for you guys. According to them, they say that the optimal sleeping temperature is 60 to 67 degrees. And yeah, that's just perfect. And tip 3 is to diffuse essential oils. So I am a huge fan of candles, scents, really anything, but at night I am not going to be burning a candle when I want to go to sleep. So I diffuse my essential oils with my Art Naturals, it's like a teardrop diffuser, and I like to diffuse lavender and peppermint just because those really calm me down at night. And tip 4 is to drink tea. I love to drink tea at night, especially if it's later at night and I kind of have the munchies, but I know I'm not really hungry. I like to drink tea because that subsides that craving to eat something, and I really don't like to eat really close to going to bed anyways, so I like to drink chamomile. I have this one, it's a lavender citrus blend that I really love as well, and then just any kind of like herbal teas I really like at night. Alright, and tip 5 is to adjust the warmth and brightness on your phone screen. So typically people tell you not to look at your phone late at night, but does anybody really listen to that? I mean, that's gonna take some major willpower. So what I decided to do is to adjust the warmth and brightness on my phone screen. So all you have to do is just go into the settings on your phone, and you can turn it into, like, on iPhones it's called night shift, and all it does is just make your screen a warm tone so it looks orange instead of like showing the blue wavelengths, so it doesn't really distract your brain that much and keep you more awake and alert. And then I just turn the brightness all the way down so that way I'm not like squinting or trying to focus really hard on my screen. So there's a tip to get around all those people telling you not to look at your screen at night, even though it's still probably distracting me, but whatever. Going off the diffusing essential oils, because I am a huge lover of scents and smells, I also like to spray sheet spray and like good smelling stuff on my sheets, because whenever I lay down on my pillows and they just smell wonderful, it just helps me calm down and relax a little bit more. So I have a couple sprays that I like to use, but you can also just make your own with essential oils and put them in glass spray bottles and yeah, make your own that way. It's super easy. But the sprays, the scents that I like to spray are lavender and peppermint. So pretty much the same stuff that I diffuse in. My next tip is to watch TV shows or movies that don't make your brain race or constantly think about the show or any kind of different situations. I definitely like not horror, I hate horror movies. I like suspense and like kind of like the thrillers, but I definitely will not watch them during the week at night before I have to go to sleep, because I know that the second I lay down for bed, I'm gonna be thinking about the movie, thinking about all the different things that went on in the movie, what could happen in real life, and all of a sudden I'm awake at like 2 a.m. and stressing because I need to sleep. So I typically turn on the TV and watch like Gossip Girl because I already know what happens in the show because I've seen it before. So that really prevents me from trying to stay up longer because I know what happens. So if I don't finish it, it's not that big of a deal. And my next tip is to take a shower or a bath to unwind. Guys, showers and baths at night have become my go-to in my nightly routine. Like, even if I am gonna go work out in the morning and I like don't want to wash my hair because I'm gonna wash it in the morning, I still take a shower just to like just rinse the day away from my body. It's just a nice little thing that I do at night, and it just makes me feel better and more relaxed. And when I take a bath, I typically do that like after I've had like a really difficult workout, or if my muscles are starting to feel it a couple days later. I like to take a bath, and I really like the Kneipp bath salts. Those are so awesome. And I also really like bath bombs from like Sky Organics and Lush, because who doesn't love Lush? The next one is quit looking at the time. Now, I'm the type of person that if I know that I need to be in bed around 9:30 because I have to get to bed or I have to fall asleep at 10, and I'm constantly checking the time to see what time it is, I get so stressed thinking about how much sleep I've lost and how much sleep I'll be getting because I didn't actually fall asleep, and all of a sudden it's 2 in the morning because I'm still stressing about the amount of sleep that I haven't gotten. I don't like to check my phone to see what time it is because I just start stressing, and I know that it's really not that big of a deal if I miss a half an hour of sleep. So once I've decided to actually close my eyes and start the fall asleep process, I don't look at my phone. I typically have it on Do Not Disturb so that way it doesn't alert me if anyone's texting me or whatever. But yeah, you should probably do that too if you stress. And my last tip is to have background noise or white background sounds and white noise playing. I am the type of person that I need to fall asleep to sounds, so I typically keep my TV on and just put it on a sleep timer for about an hour, just so that way I can listen to something while I'm falling asleep. But I also like to keep my fans on so that way it drowns out any outside noises from my outside of my room. Or there's also so many different apps for like rain sounds and just like relaxing tones, or even just like the white noise like from your TV. That would get me so keyed up, but I know that it helps some people. So if it helps you, you never know. If you guys want to check out the blog post, I highlight a little bit more from this video in there, or yeah, I'm gonna be trying to come at you guys with some more blog posts here and there. But yeah, if you guys have any like specific ideas you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. That rhymed. I didn't. Okay, so thank you guys for listening, and thank you guys for watching, actually. Unless you're just like watching and listening, doesn't even matter. But thank you guys for stopping by. I hope to see you guys later, and have a great week. Bye. Y'all shout. There is a bug. What kind of bug is that? Oh my god. That's not okay. Ew, I think it's a stink bug. All right, we're just gonna pretend that it's not there right now, and then we're just gonna keep going. Totally forget where I was at.